I was a cactus and off with that cash, cause I am a bandit. Please don't tell me he's the contender. Whooping their ass, they can't withstand it. Can you take the damage or do you need the bandage? He proceeds to panic, he needs to manage. That's a pussy, no same genetics. Flesh wounds, he need a medic. Now back to the trap to flip this sack. Little homies in the trap been did that. Run around strapped down, no seatbelt. Get smoked, body swim like Michael Phelps. Get smoked, body swim like Michael Phelps. Them battles do hell in the brain. You weak, can't handle the pain. When I'm chopping, I'm drilling the brain. The blockers where I will remain. Only real niggas doing the same. Like loose screws when I punch fools. When I finish, I bet they teeth lose. This class, you can't cheat through, break glass. I don't sneak through, but I think I just might creep through to get you with lunch food. The bigger the gun, the bigger the hole in the lung. The only hope is you run, run, run. The bigger the gun, the bigger the hole in the lung. The only hope is you run. Who the next project? You the next project. Come to the lab and I'll show you what I'm talking. This death is unusual. Find your own coffin. Filling in stockings and them candy them hoes. Wrapping them up, it's that Christmas Day flow. Killing them though, that casket is closed. That back you too close with accurate flows. It's cracking your nose, you niggas ain't know and you wouldn't have been close. You finna be history, Timothy blowing them up to the next century. You ain't shit if I was to fly. And if I was to fly, I come in disguise. You'd be so surprised on how you die. I'm maxing by, I'm shocking you guys. I feel the night, y'all ain't alright, but it's alright. Bye. Yeah.